Okay, Sophia, you ready? Not that stuff. That stuff's no good. Look at this. Yum.
Look.
You're a little messy, aren't you?
No, she was fighting it.
Just a little messy. Let's see. You gonna drink? You drink your Wawa?
She has a little trouble with that. She needs help, like, lifting it up.
Here we go. Come on.
She hasn't gotten the hang of it.
Oh, that's good, huh? Now, do you want some more? Yep. It is drippy. Oh.
Very drippy.
Oh. Oh. It's very, very drippy.
Hold on. Yeah, just seeing how she was gagging and choking on it.
Drippy? I'm okay.
Let me put just a smidge in there.
Yeah, don't mix that around.
Bah.
You do it. Mwah! We'll do a little of both. Oh, you're doing your drinking water?
She's fucking here.
There you go. Oh, it's backwards, honey. You silly. Your little mouth is going to tear that up.
Yep.
Okay, there you go. Okay? You're like a little tiger, huh? Here comes the food. Here comes the...
It's still very drippy. She's not that... She doesn't really feel like eating.
Here comes the food. Sophia. Get it? Come on. Sophia. Here. Eat, 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 eat. Eat, 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 eat. You're not going to be eating today, huh? What's the matter? What are you doing?
Kelly just made some for herself. If you put it on a plate in the microwave, it's
Okay. So that's it for Sophia eating today. That's in her hole. Sophia and Kelly's over there somewhere.